Hi, I'm Casey and I'm here to talk to you about Cheltenham Wellbeing Festival 2020. I was lucky enough to talk to Alex and Lottie, the directors of the festival, to find out more.
Cheltenham Wellbeing Festival is a celebration of our community, bringing together every single facet of wellbeing under one umbrella.
It's all about self-care and just looking after yourself and finding different ways to balance your well-being.
It is for everybody, be you a baby, an adult, absolutely everyone. We are going from youth to beyond.
Yeah, and we had some really lovely people say to us things like the morning move sessions were a free event every single morning, run in the park, just a workout with a local practitioner, local gym. And people got so much out of it because they said, thank you so much for putting something like this on. A couple of people, one person had recently become unemployed, so couldn't afford to go to the gym. Somebody else had been suffering with depression who wrote to us and said, thank you so much, you gave me direction. And it was those things that out of it all really made us realise why we'd done it. And actually that was exactly what we wanted to achieve. And it was very humbling.
It was. Even our practitioners, one of them's now had the confidence to set up her own business, which she hadn't done so before. Mums that were struggling with their day-to-day lives, they did some of our self-care workshops and connected with other mums. So it was about people finding answers and solutions to problems rather than just going and being talked to.
So the whole point of the Cheltenham Wellbeing Festival for local businesses is to make sure that we have a platform for them to come together. As a festival, we'll be running quarterly events throughout the year to keep the conversation going, but we'll also be hosting a brand new hub in January, which will be an online resource where people can find everything to do with wellbeing 365 days of the year. 2020 will be the same format and the same theme. So with our Be More Us campaign, it will be about community and connection. We will still have our active pass, our treatment pass, workshops and events and main stage. And we're also looking to create a central hub to make sure that people have somewhere to go, somewhere to come and wander around, see experts, learn about themselves and just get involved.
So Be More Us is the End Your Loneliness campaign. So it's actually a campaign that's going on, but we want to encapsulate it and incorporate it into Cheltenham Wellbeing Festival. We now want to make it less about the individual and more about the community. So Be More Us is about talk to your neighbours, talk to the people that you see walking down the road and celebrate what makes Cheltenham such an amazing town.
You can book tickets through the website. They'll be live from April, but you'll be able to just register for tickets now or notify everybody on early bird tickets as soon as they're live.
Cheltenham Wellbeing Festival is going to be on from the 14th to the 20th of September 2020.
Please visit www.cheltenhamwellbeingfestival.com for more details. See you there.